Now let's come to the perfect continuous. First is present perfect continuous. Let's see the formula of present perfect continuous. Subject in the beginning, then helping verb, the first form of the verb, and ing for continuous, then object along with the time period. Okay. What are the helping verb in present perfect continuous? Have been and has been. Let's see the example. She has been cleaning the floor since noon. Time period is 1. This is the main difference of simple present continuous and present perfect continuous. In perfect continuous, we mention the time or duration. Let's see the another example. I have been learning the lesson for 2 hours. Past perfect continuous formula will remain the same. Subject, helping verb, verb, first form with ing, and at the last object along with time or the period or duration. Now, what's the difference in present perfect and past perfect? Only the difference is of the helping verb. Here the helping verb is had been. Let's see the example. She had been cleaning the floor since noon. I had been, sorry, it's written wrong. Past perfect. She had been cleaning the floor. I had been learning the lesson for 2 hours. Let's come to the future perfect continuous. Let's see the formula. Formula is same. Subject, helping verb, verb first form with ing, object, and time period. Only changes here is the different use of helping verb. For future perfect tense, what helping verb we are using? Will have been, shall have been. I shall have been cleaning the floor since night. She will have been cleaning the floor for 2 hours. Now, how to make the negative? Again, here we use not to make the negative. Along with the helping main helping verb, before been we add not in case of future. So you will write subject, I shall have not been cleaning the floor since night, or she will have not been cleaning the floor for 2 hours. In case of present, she has not been cleaning the floor since noon, or in case of past, she had not been cleaning the floor since noon. Now, how to make question interrogative? Obviously, again, main helping verb come at the beginning. Shall I have been cleaning the floor, and the rest of the wordings of the sentence. Will she have been? Then complete the sentence, the question mark. Putting the question mark is must. According to the rule, if you are not putting the question mark, then you will lose your half marks. In case of present perfect continuous, have I been doing my work? Then complete the sentence. Past perfect continuous, had she been cleaning the floor since noon? Then question mark. So this is all about the explanation. Formulas, an example I'm showing you, formula are same for all the 3 perfect continuous tense, only we are using the different helping verb. And how to make the negative? By the addition of not and question. Main helping will come at the beginning and will complete the rest of the wordings of the sentence, and last must put the question mark. So this is all about the explanation. And next video, inshallah, we'll start the exercise with a different pattern. Let's see the another video.